Current hex value sort of is $0.032. Hex falls 0.29% in 7 days, which generally is genuinely huge. Hex cost examination sort of is negative today in a kind of significant manner. First help level for hex for the most part is at $0.030, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. 18 September 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through hex cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and in every way that really matters, attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified some things, facts. What fundamentally is somewhat momentary cost expectation for hex, sort of is hex, and especially wise interest in a truly significant manner. Hex help and obstruction levels and so forth, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. However, prior to jumping profound into the hex specialized examination, generally let us explicitly discuss the very current economic situations, which really is genuinely critical. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there sort of was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to $1,081,454,289,783, which sort of is genuinely critical. The in every way that really matters, all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $25,060,241,952, or so they explicitly thought. Bitcoin shares 49.3% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,361.52 level, after a vertical development of 2.9%, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum, has seen a cost increment of 2.02%. Coming to $1,665.22 during the past 24 hours, further appearance how which generally brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $27,361.52 level, after a vertical development of 2.9% incredibly. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $220.52 following a value change of 2.54% inside a similar time span, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. XRP, the for the most part local coin of XRP, explicitly is up by 1, and at present exchanging at 50 cents in a quite huge manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a kind of significant way. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market especially is going in a truly descending course for kind of present moment. Or so they sort of thought. Right now, and in every practical sense, general extremely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which by and large is very huge. Hex help and obstruction backing and opposition essentially are significant specialized markers, used to generally distinguish most certainly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, so the fundamentally complete exchanging volume certainly remains at $25,060,241,952 in a huge manner. Support basically is a level at which purchasers really become substantially more especially dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which sort of is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which dealers truly become move truly dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Certainly further appearance. How yet prior to jumping truly profound into the hex specialized examination, generally let us in a real sense discuss the sort of current economic situations, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of hex. Hex execution. The by and large everyday graph of hex, for the most part, shows that the hex value sort of has a truly descending development, with a 1.19% decline and especially beyond 24 hours, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $220.52. Following a value change of 2.54% inside a similar time span, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The value worth of the hex coin in every practical sense, is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, which most certainly shows what in a real sense, brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,361.52 level after a vertical development of 2.9%, which truly is genuinely critical. Hex cost changes 0.29% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume certainly is drifting around $3,738,949 United States dollars in an unpretentious manner. Hex value examination. Hex cost investigation for 18 September 2023, insight in especially day-to-day time period, especially made sense of underneath, exhibiting that however prior to plunging profound into the Hex specialized examination, generally let us sort of discuss the extremely current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize commonly relative strength INDEXRSI, moving commonly normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including certainly basic moving most certainly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving sort of normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the Hex in a very significant manner especially. The MACD line by and large is remaining underneath of the for the most part signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $220.52 following a value change of 2.54% inside a similar time period, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Hex financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the especially everyday outline, which by and large shows that market investigation over the especially last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $1,081,454,289,783, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Hex most certainly has a flat-out closest opposition of $0.036, exhibiting that similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which vendors truly become move in every practical sense, dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, in every practical sense, further appearance. How yet prior to jumping truly profound into the Hex specialized examination, in a real sense let us most certainly discuss the kind of current economic situations, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking, a bullish breakout in this opposition level would sort of lift the upswing force. So Hex help and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized pointers used to especially distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. So the complete exchanging volume certainly remains at $25,060,241,952 in a quite huge manner. The purchasers could then focus on the opposition R2 set at $0.039 in an unobtrusive manner. On the other hand, in the event that the financial backers fundamentally betray the Hex, the generally bears could handle the market and in every practical sense, take Hex cost beneath the vital help level of $0.030, showing how following especially are the help and obstruction levels of Hex execution. The day-to-day diagram of Hex in every practical sense shows that the Hex value sort of has an essentially descending development with a 1.